Hello everybody wey dey watch me. I say make I greet una before I start. Una welcome to One-on-One TV. This one dey happen inside the Synagogue Church of All Nations. We hear say they don sack some elders. Then this one go thief church money. Hey, church never reach anywhere. They don begin start to dey thief money. Una know say this church na the person wey get na TB Joshua. This church na a very popular church. And since when this man don die, we know say other people now don begin handle this kind of thing. Now there we come here say this group of people wey go thief this money, they call them big sisters. Say no be say they employ this woman keep for there. Say na TB Joshua now don notice they say then these ladies they don't stay inside this church. On all this kind until they go they find miracle, say they find husband inside church. They no go give combat a blessing that they are set. Now be this one. Now there this woman they inside this church, but they say since all this time wey they don't dey there. Now so they go dey there they thief. Even when TB Joshua they alive. They go dey thief for him person and they want them say make now stop this ad, but then these people know they hear. They can't go do and now enter this new administration before we go see and say make all of them pack their load to make they get out from the church. Oh, my viewers, I beg, make now follow me see. Hey, now wow, but it be like say for person to the thief inside church, it don't dey very common. Because you must hear say inside church, person dey chop money. I beg. Why be someone no dey even fear God? Reason am. Say this kind act and things when they do, it no dey justified in the sight of God. But una no dey reason and say this one na even disgrace and perhaps una be lady, young ladies like una go church say na miracle una dey go find, but na money now una dey go there go take. And all this kind of thing for TB Joshua to overlook him. In fact, now ain't giving her this grace. Because from the beginning, now ain't supposed to pursue and say, this thing one they do, you no good. But they look and say the man no want disgrace on her. Now what make and they keep everything on the low, say make everything day down. But I know say synagogue now, it don't do under new management. So this one they do, in fact, it no even make sense at all. But me and whoever on a sure say this church they in the right hands. Because you never even reach 6 months where Baba die. Things don't start to the spot. People don't start to the thief money inside church. It means if they can't leave this church, maybe in a year's time, we go here say they don't even say the whole church as a whole. Because this one will be say members, big sisters, don't they plan this on how to execute them. But I beg gonna notice say these people as they pursue, they don't even look bothered. It be like say they don't thief enough for them to move because they don't even care. As they pursue, they still even carry pure water. They drink, they go. I beg God be say some people go commit some kind of crime, they go still even call the reason and like say the thing where they do make sense. They no go even feel say this one where they do, you know even they justified. They go see they act right or be wrong in the sight of God. Say what did they do, anything won't happen. But now can you say later then this set of girls go come and say TB Joshua sleep with me, dude. I don't want to hear all those kind of secrets because this one where they don't pursue you now. So later you go to hear say they don't come outside, they come to I no go even accept them at all. They don't sack na, make them go and live in a life in peace. Because nobody tell una to go the thief. As they don't want in a sense, if they wanna take it by now, this one no go happen again. Anyway, my people, I go end down here for today. If you get anything to talk about this one, make na write them inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for our next story.